How can you start your jewelry business from your room at your house? And I want to explain that using jewelry that you already have at home is enough for you to start. First off, you need to find any jewelry that you are not using that you can actually create new bracelet or new necklaces or earrings. For example, I want to show you, this is what I done in the last live that I did 2 weeks ago. So you have, this is one of the bracelets. So let's show another one, this one over here. So I'm going to show you what you can do. You can use something that you already have, and then you can just break it into, and then create something new. So what I do is I like to collect. So I'm going to break it. And then you can have the bead, and then you can create new bracelet depending on what you have. And there you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.